In this video, I'll show you 6 unique apps that have the potential to earn you up to $1,000 in only one day. They're all available for download on your smartphone, so you can start making money immediately no matter where you are. The more apps you use, the more cash you'll bring in. If having an extra grand in your pocket interests you and want to learn how to utilize all 6 of these apps to make it happen, be sure to watch till the very end of this video. The following is just one app's payment record, but it shows how people from all over the world are using it to get real cash. Now, let's watch the video. We'll start with adwallet.com, which is an app that lets you make money by watching videos and ads. You can watch videos from different brands and receive rewards for each one that you watch. These videos only take a few minutes to watch, and you could earn up to $3 simply by watching them. I have never seen another program that makes it easy as AdWallet does to earn money. All you have to do is click on a video and begin watching it. Then get paid 50 cents to $3 for every video engagement. You also have the opportunity of referring these videos to other people, where in case you will get $1 commission for each referral. For example, if right now you are viewing a similar type of graphic like this one, all you need to do is press the play button in order to locate and start playing the video. You can complete this video on any computer or mobile device, and after you're finished, you'll be paid in cash. AdWallet has given out over $1 million to users from all around the world in their first 12 months using a variety of global payment methods. Once you reach $10 worth of earnings, you may start cashing out your rewards. By simply clicking the sign up button at the top, you can immediately set up a free account with no strings attached. You don't have to worry about any catches or gimmicks. You will get paid in hard cash right away. By clicking the sign up button below, you will be granted access to a free account that can give you $300 in earnings each day. The second app I want to introduce today is called 5-Minute Profit Pages. That is 5minuteprofitpages.com. I adore this program because it's a plug and play, meaning you can create money pages with only the click of a button and it will handle all the selling for you. You won't have to recommend or sell anything to anyone, and you don't need any technical expertise. Everything can be accomplished in 2 steps. These are some of the results I've been seeing using 5-Minute Profit Pages. My username is visible at the top, along with the earnings for today, yesterday, and the previous 7 days. In just 2 easy steps, I can achieve outcomes similar to these. To get started, you must access 5-Minute Profit Pages and log in. Once you're logged in, all you need to do is complete step 1 by copying your affiliate links into the system. After you click on step 2 to activate the system, in step 3, you start earning commission daily. Warrior Plus has numerous products that pay commission for advertisement or reselling, which is how I'm able to earn like this from the platform. For example, they give an estimated average commission for a long list of multiple products. From there, I can advertise all these products and make money every day. I use 5-Minute Profit Pages because it is easy and only requires 2 steps. For the first step, you can copy your affiliate links. For example, if you want to promote this product, click here to copy your affiliate link. The second step is returning to 5-Minute Profit Pages, pasting the link into the system, and clicking Activate System. To start earning commissions, by taking these steps, even newbies can produce similar results. The third app I want to introduce is Cash Karma. That is cashkarma.com. All you have to do in order to receive free cash and gift cards from this website is register and log into your account daily. If you finish several surveys, they'll give you even more incentive bonuses. Cash Karma is great because you get 300 points just for installing the app. That's $3 in free money without having to do anything. You can exchange your Cash Karma points for PayPal Cash or Amazon gift cards once you've earned them. And there are a lot of different ways to earn badges on this app too. There are a few things you can do to earn points. Like offers, videos, one tricky little way is just search for AutoClicker on Google. You'll find that over 60,000 people have already downloaded and installed it. With only one click, you may fill out a variety of services with this extension. Just go to the Chrome store, watch a tutorial, and see how it functions in detail. As I am recording this video, Cash Karma is functioning automatically and filling out various surveys. This means that you can earn points by completing these surveys and advertisements, which can then be turned into actual money. The fourth app we'll look into is moneysSMS.app.com. With this free Android software, you can make money online automatically by simply receiving an SMS from the system. You can download it on your Android phone and start generating income online automatically and for free. There are no startup fees or other expenses. Before we go any further, I'll give you a few minutes to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you've enjoyed it so far. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below. Now let's go back. Additionally, if you refer friends to the program, you'll receive 30% of their earnings. For example, if you recommend someone who then gives you $100 in revenue, you'll make an easy $30 just for doing the initial referral. You can visit moneysmsapp.com and download the app to start earning money for each text message you receive. With this passive income stream, you don't have to do anything except accept the messages and then delete them later. You don't need to click on any links or make purchases. Plus, as soon as you earn money, it will show up in your balance so that you can withdraw it using one of the several payment methods available in your country. Over 3 million text messages have already been sent worldwide, netting 70,000 euros in total. Receiving text messages from Money SMS is a great way to make money passively, without doing anything at all. The following application is called AffiliateListBot.com. With the use of this app, you will be automatically earned over $576 every day in affiliate network commissions from programs such as Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. You can earn 100% commission from free traffic to your website or app. The advertising is complimentary. You don't need social media followings or subscribers, and this is extremely user-friendly for beginners. They will help you in promoting different ClickBank products so that you can generate income online. From the looks of it, there are plenty of amazing products to promote on my ClickBank marketplace. If you use Affiliate List Bot, you can create multiple websites that run on autopilot. This way, you can start making money from ClickBank without putting any extra effort in. The tool will help you promote various things on your website so that you can earn commission passively. There have been amazing results achieved on ClickBank with this tool. People are earning crazy amounts of money. The last ad is for GetPaid.com, a website that allows you to make money passively online. You can do a variety of other simple tasks on this website, such as playing games, watching videos, and taking surveys. All countries are welcome to sign up on this website. The concept is quite straightforward. By doing various tasks on this site, you can earn points. You can convert your points into cash at the rate of 5,000 points to $1. For example, if you want to play games, you can do so on this website for free and earn points that will be converted into real money. You can also take surveys in addition to playing games. On this website, you can make money in a variety of ways, from taking surveys to clicking on ads. They provide you with profitable surveys from various businesses, which you can easily do using an auto-clicker, and pay you for every click. You can also participate in various offers and watch videos. It's easy to start making money with this website. Just watch videos or view ads, and you'll start earning cash. If you want to create a free account, simply click the button below. You'll be taken to a registration page where you can sign up for your free account. All you need to do is finish your registration, enter your personal information in the fields below, scroll down and click on the button. That's it. If you enjoy this content, be sure to check out my other videos. If you like what you see, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can stay updated on new videos. Lastly, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Until next time!